People, let me start by thanking the good people of Enugu. Let me start by thanking the good people of Enugu State. We came here this morning and we went to Enugu campus. People were like this. We went to Sugar. I went to Sugar today and the crowd was like this. And in Enugu, people plenty for Enugu. Let me just take a few minutes of your time. I want you to listen. I want you to listen. Now you got our time. Now you got us to say one be president. Thank you, sir. Maybe we take the thing where they talk. Because we are tired of this fake promise.
We don't want the electricity for popcorn.
We don't want real promise. What I can assure you is that our country today, I don't need to tell you the problem of the country.
We already know. We know.
Everybody today, you don't tell us. A country of 200 million people,
oh yeah, statistics master.
Have 133 million people living in poverty. They're not fortunate. We have more people living in poverty than India and China combined. India and China is 2.8 billion and we're only 200 million. There are more poor people than two of them combined. How good the Ebony are my friend? I'm making here. Take it here. But let me say, careful. So, even the people living in poverty, that we cannot continue this way. We cannot continue for people, millions of people living without doing anything. We cannot continue with millions of people not knowing where the next meal will come from. We cannot continue with the level of stealing that is in our country. We cannot continue with all that. Today, if you want to move around in Nigeria, you're not secured. Today, you're not secured. And everybody says, how can we secure the country? I am Baba. Daddy Baba Ahmed have said, we will secure and unite Nigeria. Today, when I finish, I said it before. We will remember what I said. We will secure and unite Nigeria. We will ensure people say everything is difficult. No. We will ensure that police will become your friend. Because you will use them. No more. What we are going to do?
Obi Wadaima. Obi Wadaima.
It's your turn to take back your country.
Yes.
So they'll be your friend. We will no longer have police harass you.
Yes.
They will be your friend. And we too will be their friend. Because what are we going to do? We will ensure that we recruit more people at all levels of our security agencies